Good day to all of you, and today I will discuss about the potential biological impacts of climate change. My discussion will cover such as arthropods and insects, vectors, which are part of our biodiversity. So I hope you can learn something from me and my discussion. Vector-borne diseases are transmitted typically by the bite of an infected arthropod. The arthropod could be something rather familiar, like a mosquito, tick, or a black fly. Or it might be a less familiar species like an African chichi fly or copepod. These arthropods that carry and transmit diseases are known as vectors. Other non-arthropod vectors can include rodent rats, certain bats, a species of aquatic snail, and several species of wild birds. Different vectors carry different diseases such as malaria, dengue, encephalitis, African sleeping sickness, and yellow fever. Anopheles minimus mosquito, a malaria vector that carries drug-resistant malaria parasite, falciparum, feeding on a human host. The blood that this mosquito ingested is visible through its abdomen. So this is an example of an arthropod or a vector. In general, climate plays an important role in the seasonal pattern or temporal distribution of diseases that are carried and transmitted through vectors, because vector animals often thrive in particular climate conditions. For example, warm and wet environments are excellent places for mosquitoes to breed. If those breeding mosquitoes happen to be a species that can transmit disease, and if there is an infected population in that region, then the disease is more likely to spread in that area. Because the vectors are sensitive to climate, their distribution and numbers are already being altered by climate change. For example, there is an evidence that the geographic range of ticks and mosquitoes that carry disease has expanded as warmer temperatures poleward. Ticks have extended their range north in Sweden and Canada and into higher altitudes in Czech Republic. While future climate change is expected to continue to alter the distribution of disease vectors, it is important to recognize that there are several diseases or other factors such as changes in land use, population density, and human behavior that can also change the distribution of disease vectors as well as extent of infection. Examples of two diseases transmitted via vectors are malaria and dengue. That's all. Thank you so much. I'm Christine Nicole Celano reporting about the biological changes caused by climate change.